Hello students, welcome to Transpose classes. Today we'll be solving the computer science and IT GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the engineering mathematics portion. The engineering mathematics portion. We previously solved question number 1 and 2 from the paper. Today we'll be solving question number 3. So let's begin with question number 3. In question number 3, we have to consider a matrix A equal to U into V transpose, where U is given by 1 and 1, 2, and V is equal to 1 by 1, 1, 1. So in that case, we need to find the largest eigenvalue of A. So let's begin. So what we have given is that U is equal to the column matrix 1, 2, and B is the column matrix 1, 1, and A is the matrix U into V transpose. So this will be equal to 1 column matrix 1, 2 into the row matrix V transpose will be 1, 1. So upon multiplication, this will give us the matrix A will be equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. So for eigenvalues, if let lambda be the eigenvalues. So for eigenvalues, we need to find out A minus lambda I. So A minus lambda I will be given by 1 minus lambda 1, 2, 2 minus lambda. So this is the matrix A minus A lambda I. So for eigenvalues, what we need to do, determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. That will give us that 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0, and that will give us the equation lambda square minus 3 lambda is equal to 0, and that will give us that lambda is equal to 0 and 3. As you can see over here, the largest eigenvalue is 3. So therefore we can write, therefore largest eigenvalue is equal to 3. So today we have solved the question number 3 from the Computer Science and Information Technology GATE exam paper of year 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Transpose classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.